Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to add in your voucher code in Shopee. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, over at Shopee, and from here make sure to sign in or create an account and sign in. And then once you've done that, go ahead and make a purchase as you normally would. So for this demonstration, I'm just going to put some electronics. I'm going to put this search for some TVs and put this into my cart. So I'm just going to go through the process here of doing that. I'm going to choose this TV here. I'm going to change the language to English. Yep. Alright, and then I'm going to click on add to cart. So basically what we want to do is head over to our cart because that's where we can put in our Shopee voucher codes. And now, alright, so inside the shopping cart here, you can see the TV for demonstration purposes that I'm going to purchase or pretend to purchase. And now below your products, you'll have a voucher Shopee. Click on use enter code. And now where it says add voucher, put in that code and click on wear it. Then click on OK to activate it. And then whatever that voucher amounts to will be deducted off your product or products. And then click checkout and follow through with your card details to make your purchase.